Today we're going to talk about something that can truly change your financial journey. How you can make money through your skills. This is one of the most powerful and realistic ways to earn income, even if you don't have capital to start a business. If you've ever wondered, what can I do to make money right now using what I already know? Then this message is for you. Let me start with something simple. Everyone has a skill. Whether you realize it or not, there's something you're already good at. It might not look like a big deal to you, but to someone else, it's exactly what they need. It could be baking, sewing, fixing things, explaining complex ideas in a simple way, planning events, speaking, writing, farming, designing, counseling, creating music, or even organizing a room. One mistake people often make is assuming their skill is not valuable. They say, "But I just help people with advice," or "I only know how to design on Canva, that's basic." Let me tell you something. What's basic to you is a blessing to someone else. Someone who doesn't know how to bake will pay to be taught. Someone who doesn't understand farming will pay for guidance. Someone who needs branding will gladly pay for Canva designs. The value of a skill is not in how hard it is, but in how useful it is to someone who needs it. But before you start charging for your skill, you need to validate it. This means finding out if there is real demand and money potential in that skill. Begin by doing a bit of research. Now, look around your own community. Are people looking for what you offer? Are your friends or neighbors struggling with something that you can solve using your skill? Let's say you know how to edit videos. Check how many content creators, churches, or small businesses in your town are using raw, unpolished content. That's a gap. If your skill can fill a gap, that means it's valuable. Once you've confirmed there's a demand, test it. Offer your skill to 3 people. Do it for free or at a discounted rate. Get feedback. Ask for testimonials. Observe how they respond. If they come back, if they refer others, you're onto something. Now that you've validated your skill, you must improve it. No matter how good you are, growth never stops. Use YouTube to watch tutorials every day. If you're into graphic design, watch how others design using tools like Canva, Adobe Illustrator, or Photoshop. If you're into farming, follow successful farmers on social media and read their tips. There are also free courses you can take on Coursera, Udemy, and Skillshare. Invest your time in sharpening your skill. Remember, people pay more for excellence. While improving, you must also package your skill. This means turning it into something clear, valuable, and sellable. Don't just say, "I know how to bake." Say, "I offer custom cakes for birthdays and events, starting from $2. The more specific and professional you sound, the more trustworthy you appear. Create 3 packages for your service: basic, standard, and premium. For example, if you're a content writer, your basic package could be a 500-word article. Standard could be 2 articles per week. Premium could include keyword research and full blog management. This structure helps clients choose what fits their budget while showing them the range of your skill. Even if you don't have paying clients yet, build a portfolio. Create sample work. If you're a designer, design logos or flyers for imaginary businesses. If you're a writer, write articles on topics you're passionate about. Save all your work in a Google Drive folder or a simple website and share it with potential clients. Your portfolio is proof that you can do what you say. So where do you actually get paid? There are several platforms where you can turn your skill into income. Freelance sites like Fiverr, Upwork, Freelancer, and People Per Hour allow you to offer your services to clients from around the world. But even without online platforms, you can make money locally. If you're good at organizing events, offer to coordinate birthdays or weddings. If you're good at cooking, offer meal prep services. If you're great at social media, help small businesses manage their pages. You don't need a website. A Facebook page and WhatsApp business account is enough to start. Another way to monetize your skill is by teaching others. People are always looking to learn new things. You can host a class on WhatsApp, Zoom, or in person. Record short videos teaching your skill. Create an ebook or PDF guide. For example, a poultry farmer can create a 30-day broiler rearing guide and sell it for $1. Then there's productization. This means turning your skill into something you sell repeatedly. You could sell digital products like templates, checklists, designs, or planners. Once you create it once, you can sell it many times without extra effort. If you're consistent, you'll build a following. And when people trust you, they buy from you. That's where personal branding comes in. People want to know who they're buying from. Talk about your work. If you're on Facebook, post helpful content around your skill. If you're on TikTok, create short videos showing how you work. Use Instagram to showcase your results. People don't buy skills. They buy stories, they buy energy, they buy results. Build trust by being active. Respond to comments. Help people even when they haven't paid you yet. Give free tips. Share value. Show that you know your stuff. When people start recognizing you as the guy who's good with poultry or the lady who designs amazing posters, you've already won. People will start tagging you in posts, referring you, and reaching out. That's how branding works. Let's now talk about how the money really comes in. There are 5 ways. First, there's service-based income. You do the job, and someone pays you. This could be designing, writing, editing, teaching, coaching, or consulting. You exchange time for money. It's the most direct way to earn. Second, you can earn through products. You sell something once, and multiple people can buy it, like an ebook, template, or course. This is where passive income starts to kick in. You make money even when you're sleeping, because people can download your product anytime. Third, you can earn by teaching. Host a group session. Create a WhatsApp class. Do Zoom training. Teach others what you know, and charge a fee. You can also offer private coaching for a higher price. You're not just making money, you're also creating impact. Fourth, you can earn from affiliate marketing. If you use tools like Canva, InShot, or even farming equipment, you can register as an affiliate and earn commission when someone signs up or buys through your link. Imagine recommending a tool you already use and getting paid for it. Lastly, you can create a membership or subscription offer. This works great for teachers, creatives, and experts in any area. K50 or K100 a month from 20 people is already good income. Now, I won't lie, this journey isn't easy. You'll face doubts. You'll get ignored. You might offer your service, and people won't respond. You might post content, and no one will like or share. But keep going. Every expert was once unknown. Every influencer was once invisible. Stay consistent. Improve your skill. Keep sharing value. So, as we wrap up, here's my challenge to you. Pick one skill you have. Package it. Start sharing it. Test it with real people. Ask for feedback. Don't wait for money to start. Start to make money. Your skills are enough.